Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on SEI. In my earlier video, I was showing you that recently the price of SEI has broken down the support of a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, price and it's dropped at this very high demand zone. That starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. You can see that we had a long spike up to the bottom of this demand zone or support zone. But the price and geared up and now it is getting accumulated at this support zone. And by the way, this support zone has been previously breaking as a very strong support zone here in the month of August 2024. And if we move more back, then here you can see that for several days it has been breaking as a very, very strong support. And the price and geared up after testing the support here, and then we had another very, very massive pump here. Now, again, we are testing the support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a bigger breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SEI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SEI. And first of all, let me just show you this recent falling wedge pattern that we have broken down. In fact, this is considered as a bullish pattern, but this time we have broken down the support of this falling wedge pattern rather than breaking out the resistance. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this wedge is here, approximately at 16 cents. And you can see that so far the price has dropped up to 18.8 cents. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that here we have a very strong and high demand zone. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price to break it down. And if we take a look at the previous history of this demand zone, then you can see that when it was entered here inside this demand zone, we had a very, very powerful rally before. And after that, we had another very, very powerful rally after entering inside the support zone or demand zone. We had a very, very massive pump. This time, we tested the bottom of this demand zone that is here at 20 cents. By the way, this support zone starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. The price and geared up, and now it is getting accumulated above the support of 22 cents. If the price then starts another reversal from here, then obviously the previous support of the wedge can now work as a resistance for the price line, and this resistance to wedge will be another hurdle for the price line that can stop the price line to move more up from here. And after that, we will have a very strong resistance of 32 cents here that had been recently working as a almost as support here, by the way. And here it was working as a resistance, here as a resistance, and now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SEI. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at 41.6 cents. It had been recently working as a resistance here, and before that, it was working as support here and resistance here and support here as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, this bigger falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And by the way, before hitting the target for the breakout from this wedge, we will also need to break out this downtrend line, a very strong downtrend line resistance as well. You can see that we got rejections here, a few more rejections here, and again, it can work as a strong resistance, and then it can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1 to $1.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.